The film opens in near silence. A collapsed, rust-eaten train carriage lies half swallowed by the forest trees piercing broken windows, moss crawling over bent steel. The camera moves slowly, almost cautiously, using drifting drone shots and close macro passes over flaking paint, snapped bolts and puddles reflecting gray sky. Wind through leaves replaces music. Curiosity is triggered by familiarity turned wrong. This object once moved people, now it's forgotten and still. The pacing is slow, observational, letting decay breathe and nostalgia settle in. Without warning, rhythm enters, hands appear. Tools clink softly. The pacing accelerates as debris is cleared, vines cut away, and the carriage is carefully lifted and stabilized. Visuals shift every couple of seconds, sparks from grinding metal, rust peeling under pressure washers, warped panels being coaxed back into alignment. The forest watches silently as the structure fights to exist again. The emotional beat here is anticipation. The viewer senses order emerging but doesn't yet know the destination. Midway, resistance appears. A cracked frame refuses to straighten. Rain seeps through holes in the roof. Wheel assembly collapses under strain. The pacing tightens, faster cuts, sharper sounds, heavier breathing, louder rain against metal. Temporary darkness as power cuts out inside the carriage. This is the tension phase. Restoration feels uncertain, fragile. The forest seems to push back, reclaiming what was abandoned. Then, the shift. Structural integrity is achieved. The camera slows. Warm materials enter the framewood panels sliding into place. Insulation tucked between steel ribs, glass fitted where windows once shattered. Exterior shots remain muted and earthy, but inside, light blooms. Soft amber LEDs trace the carriage's curves, contrasting the cold green outside. The transformation becomes clear, and the viewer relaxes into predictability, the pleasure of watching things fit perfectly. The climax arrives with a continuous, unbroken camera move. Starting outside at dusk, the camera glides through the carriage door into a fully realized forest cabin. Polished wood floors, a compact kitchen glowing gently, steam rising from a kettle, a fire crackling in a minimal stove. Rain taps softly on restored metal above. Pacing slows dramatically, shots lingering longer now, inviting sensory absorption and emotional release. The ending cue is quiet and restrained. Night has fallen. From above, the carriage glows like a warm vein of light in the dark forest. Interior shots show stillness, no tools, no movement, just subtle environmental sounds. The final frame holds on the contrast, untouched wilderness surrounding a reclaimed, gentle space. The film ends not with triumph, but with calm decay transformed into refuge,